Hello guys, welcome back to What's the Wise Yes. So in today's video, I'm talking about something I use called back YouTube or YouTube channel. Yes, this information is going to be helpful to newbies if you are just creating your YouTube channel or you are about creating your YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't want the video to be more than 5 minutes. I want it to be very short. So stay and watch the video to the very end so you get everything I'm going to see. When you create a YouTube channel, there's one thing that you need to do that is full number verification. Yes, that is what makes YouTube to know if you're a lead number. Yes, you have to verify your YouTube channel with your phone number. If you don't do that, you won't be able to pull link your description, you won't be able to pull your custom thumbnail, yes, on your videos. You won't do that if you don't verify those things. So why I decided to make a video was that about a month ago, I created a channel, yes, and during verification, I tried the phone number, didn't work. Then I tried another phone number, a different phone number for that, it worked. So I just took it as a minor thing. Then I just move on with it. Not until now, if you know this channel, know that this channel is new. Yeah, this is my new channel. For those of you that have watched my video for others channel, it's my new channel. I have to leave the former channel because of some issue I had with it to this new one. So if you can subscribe to the channel if I've seen watching my video for the first time. Yes, this is my new channel. So I'm creating this channel. I wanted to do for the phone verification, put on the phone number. That was the one I used to verify my former phone number and show that I can't use the phone number again because I have to use Oyo because I can only use one phone number to verify two accounts in a year. Yes. So I tried my other phone number, it didn't work. I tried the third phone number, it did not work. It was showing like you have the issue sending code to the phone number. Yes, this is what it was showing, so that you know. So why I tried to make it, I was actually confused. I tried different ways how to get it, and different things, it no work. Now, in case you have this issue, yes, clearly way to solve it. The first thing you have to do is, if you are using the test me, you should say something like, if you test there, they should test you the full number, the code. They should test you the code, or they should call you. If you are using the test you and it's not working, then you use the call. So they call you and tell you the phone number. And if that should not work, you go to your browser, change your browser, use a different browser, If it's still showing the same thing, another thing is can clear your cache, yes. The cache of your YouTube Studio or the cache of your browser, clear it and do it again. And if it not work, this is what I have to tell you. This video is very for those in Nigeria, yes. So this one I'm seeing Nigeria, I've tried and it worked for me. So if you're in Nigeria, there's only one phone number that is working right now for those are in Nigeria, and that is if you try MTN. For me, I tried first time I tried Airtel, it did not work. I tried Glo, it did not work. Because when I tried my MTN, they told me that I already used it to verify two accounts in a year, so I can't use it again. So I was looking for a way. I called my brother and asked him for his phone number, his MTN phone number, and I tried it. It worked. So for those of you in Nigeria are facing this issue, what you have to do is go use your MTN. And if you don't have MTN, buy an MTN. And I can guarantee you that it's going to work 100%. Yes. So if you are watching to this very end, I find video very helpful, go to the comment section and let me know that yes, if it worked for you, comment the comment section. Yes, it has worked for you. And if it don't work for you, also tell me in the comment section. And if you have any other issues with your YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section so I will make a video about it. So if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like, share, so that more people get to know the video. I'll be seeing you in the next video.